Hi everyone, how's it going? Today is just gonna be also a short video. I wanted to just talk with you and stop by to share with you my thought about crochet and healing. Once in a while I just like to bring this topic up because I feel like it's very important to share a little bit how I feel toward my work, and especially I have been crochet like non-stop this past week, and also been in social media looking at the pictures, and it was so inspiring to see so many people out there crocheting and knitting as well, and also come across the audio book about crochet. Actually the book is more likely with knitting, but it's like both crochet and knitting, and the book is called Love in Every Stitch, and I really love it so much. Like, I normally listen to the audiobook than reading the book because I most of the time crochet, and for me audiobook is best to just doing the work and listen to it as well. And yeah, I really love the book. If you want to know about this book, I'll put the link for you. I also got it from Audible app. I don't know if you know that. And you can get it for free if you don't have the app yet. I can just put you the link and you can get the first book for free. And what I wanted to share with you is that there's so many things actually in the past days that I feel like I wanted to bring it up and share with you, either about crochet with business, or actually to work with how to say, I mean, to use crochet as a medium to connect with yourself. I actually talk about this many times and bring a little bit to share it with you, but I'm not sure how many people out there is really up to this and want to know more about why crochet is so healing. And if you're one of them, please comment down below that for you crochet also is a form of meditation, because I would like to incorporate this into a video tutorial, because for me it's so much fun and nicer to also combine both of my work. I would like to have a little bit of guided meditation before we start to do a crochet stitches, and I think it's very nice because this way it's not just the doing but also become one of what you're doing. And for me it's just amazing. Many people ask me how I do what I do. Actually I'm not creating anything. Crochet creating through me. I don't know how to explain this to word, but if you experience the meditation, you will know what I'm talking about. Because when you meditate or when you connect with what you do 100%, in that moment you learn so much from what you're doing. Every single thing that you hold in your hand has its own energy, has its own thoughts, has its own magic to teach you. Like, even when you hold a yarn in your hand, why when you go to the yarn shop and you see the colors, why you feel so good, the colors and the softness and all that make you feel good. And it's all about feeling. Feeling is what drives you. When you feel good, you can do everything. It is a powerful force that leaves behind a good feeling, and it moves things into the right direction, the direction you want to go. You'll be able to manage everything in your life. You'll be able to make as much money as you want, but you must feel good, because in the end of the day, it's not about how much money we make, but the question is what money give us. Like, what does money make us feel? And the feeling that we are after for, it's not about how much the number we make, but when we have just number coming to our account, we feel a certain thing, we feel a certain way, because we know that with this money we can share with the one we love, we can spend to buy a nice yarn to create beautiful things, or be able to travel and to share and get a good gift for people that we care about. So actually it's about the feeling behind that. And if we change our perspective to also see that everything that comes in our way have its own message. And I can just go talk about this longer, but today I don't want to just make it a so big subject and maybe some of you get confused what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna come back to the main thing that I wanted to say to you and share with you, that what about if you approach crochet or knitting or any form of handwork or any craft that you are interested to, that you are enjoying doing it, and put into the meditative way of creating it, and to just, you see the wind agree with me. So I mean, if you really put the meaning into what you do, put the intention into what you do, and to see what come out from that. Also with crochet, with knitting, with anything that you do, not just doing. Don't be only the doer, but be part of it. Be part of this creation. Be part of what you are creating. Feel into it, not just look at the pattern and do what the pattern say. Study the pattern, look at to the tutorial and connect with the one that make the tutorial for you. Don't have to be me. There's so many amazing people out there on YouTube create a tutorial for you, for us, for everyone. They share their gift, they share their passion, they share their time. Take the moment to connect with the one behind the camera or in front of the camera. And I think this way everything we create become more meaningful. And I want to just share this with you, and also comment down below what do you think about this subject, and if you enjoy this kind of sharing and talking, and if you would like to know more about manifestation of what you want to receive in your life and how to really live your life the way that you couldn't wait to get up in the early morning to whip your dream to reality. Live your life as if every Monday morning is a gift for you, and you couldn't wait to just go into this journey. And you know, if you want to know how to really connect crochet or anything that you do in just the way that is awake something in you, is awake the passion in you, the gift in you, and just comment down below right now, and I know that you are in the same path with me. And through crochet, I want to share this gift with you. I want to share how I be able to live with making crochet, making art, and it's so fulfilling in my heart. And I wanted to share with you, but I want to know if you want to know that too. And before I leave, I want to ask you if you would like me to make a video tutorial of this wrap, body wrap, which I put the button there. It's so cute. And to show you in the back, I'm gonna put the picture also, and then you see how it looks like, and you can just wear in different way. You can just make it as a scarf, and you can make it longer to be a kimono or anything that you want. If you would like to learn how to make this, just comment down below yes, and then I will do it to share it with you. Alright my friend, if you like this video, just give it a thumb up, share with your friend, put in a playlist that you can always come back and listen to it. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do it now and become one of our tribe. I also have Instagram. I put somewhere around here. Come to see me on Instagram. I'm working on also with the new theme with my picture, and if you want to know what apps that I use and what I discovered just last week, oh my god, there's so many things that I learned in the last few days. And if you want to know, I make more videos to share with you. Alright, have a beautiful day. It's so windy, and I see you next time.